Welcome to our SSIS tutorial. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how can you create a SSISDB inside integration services catalog, and then how can you deploy a project from SSDT to your SSISDB inside integration services catalog in SQL Server. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. Now go to in SQL Server. In SQL Server, you can see integration service catalog. Right click on it and choose create catalog. And now you have to enable CLR integrations. And here you can check the name of the SSISDB. Then you have to provide password and retype the same password. Here you can enable this server as a SSIS scale out master. Now click on OK button. Now here you can see SSISDB inside integration services catalog, and right click on it and create a folder. You can choose any folder as per your requirement, as per your project needs. For me, we are going to create a new folder here like demo projects. If you want to fill description, you can fill the folder descriptions as well, and click on OK button. Now here you can see there are two folders inside demo project, like projects and environments. And in the environment section you can set your dev, test or prod. In the project section you can deploy your projects. After creating our SSISDB inside integration services catalog, moving back to our SSDT environment. Here you can see we have already a project like project deployment model, having master packages, customers, inventory as a child packages. In the master packages you can see we are using for each loop container, and inside this container we are using for each file enumerator as a collection. Now we are passing our parameters from masters to our childs, to the customers and inventory. For this we are going to execute this package, and for this we are going to right click on the master package, select as a startup object and click on start button. Here you can see it is calling our first file, that is customers, and on the basis of this file we are going to call our first child package, that is customers. And you can see the alert from the calling child that is coming from the customer packages. And then we are going to call another inventory child package. Here you can see the name of the file and the alert message coming from these inventory packages. Now stop the executions, and we need to build our solution before deploying it on the server. For this we are going to right click on it, click on build. Now our project build successfully. Now we have to deploy our solution inside SSISDB in integration services catalog, which is available in your SQL server. Now here you can see integration services development deployment wizard has been opened, and click on next. And here you can see the deployment target. Now we have three deployment target, like SSIS in SQL Server, SSIS in Azure Data Factory, SSIS in Azure Synapse Analytics. But for this demo we are going to deploy our package inside the SSIS in SQL Server. So we have choose it and click on next button. Here you have to provide your server name and your authentication. Then you have to set the path for your packages. Here you can see we are able to connect with our SSISDB. Here we have to create a new folder that is project SSDT deployment. This is because we are going to deploy our project from the SSDT environment. If you want to fill description, you can click on OK, and here you can see this folder has been created successfully. Now click on OK button and click next. Here you can see the summary. You can see the command line, source of the solution, destination of the solution like server name, path of the solution inside SSISDB. Click next. Now you can see deployment project is in progress. It will take some time. Now close it. Now moving back to our SQL Server environment, here inside SSDB, you can see the demo project. Refresh it. Now you can see the new project which we have created inside SSDT environment. Here you can see two folders like projects and environments, and expand the projects. Here you can see the solution name, that is project deployment model. Expand it, and you can see the packages folder having three packages like master package, inventory, and customer. To execute the master package, right click on it, choose execute, and it will open a setting window for you where you can see the parameter settings, connection managers, and in advance you can see the additional informations like click on OK button. Now your package execution has been started. You can see the operation ID and the first calling for your child package, that is customers, and the message from the customers. The same for the inventory package and the message from the inventory package. Now walk through the overview of the package execution. You can see every package execution is successfully executed. Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.